Hi, my name is Will Stewart. I'm a fifth grade teacher and a co-founder of Edji, and today I'm going to show you how to use groups. What are groups? Why would you want to use them? And how to create them. So what is a group? In Edji, creating a new group means you're copying an existing reading. Not the comments though, and giving it a new join code, new directions, and new students. It's a totally fresh reading, but it keeps all of the content that you've already added. So why would you want to use groups? Well, there are many reasons, but here are just a few. Multiple periods or sections if you teach middle school or high school. If you have small reading groups and you want them to be reading the same text. Similarly, if you have different skills, maybe you have a class and some of them are working on a comprehension skill and others are working on a vocabulary skill, but you want them to have the same understanding at the end of the text, you could give them two different groups, one group for vocab, one group for comprehension. Multiple perspectives. This one can be awesome for social studies and science. For example, if you have students reading a text about a labor strike, you might have one group read as union workers, another group work as Pinkerton agents, and the last one work reading as the company boss. So that can be a way of using the groups as well. And then finally, so often with close reading or with critical reading, we're encouraging students to read a text multiple times for multiple purposes. And for a number of reasons, you might want to have them read a different version of the text each time. In that case, you can create a new group each time. So how do you make groups? Well, first, you're going to want to find the reading in your dashboard. Second, you're going to click the three dots. Third, you're going to select Create New Group. Fourth, you're going to enter the name, directions, and options. Next, you're going to click Create Group. And finally, you're going to share the code with whoever it is you'd like to join that new group. Let me show that to you again on the actual Edji dashboard. So here's my dashboard. This is the reading that I would like to create a new group for. Scientists discover new species in Indonesia. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to select Create New Group. Now I can give this a new name, like Second Hour. And maybe I've decided that I want to change the directions just a little bit. That's what I can do here. So please read and answer the questions after you have finished reading. And maybe I want to disable audio comments, or I don't want the students to be able to reply to each other. That's an option as well. And if you've gone hero, you can add a custom code. I'll click Create Group. And now this new group has been added to my dashboard, and I can give that code to students, and we can start reading. Well, thank you for joining us. I hope that this helped answer any questions that you have about groups in Edji, and we look forward to seeing you on the Discover feed.